Oh, fun!
Ooh. I can do the video too.
All right, I had it. Okay, just your cars are cool. We have parts for you too. We'll just use
pilot for a sitcom.
I had to find the silver purse like this.
So there's a documentary.
What can one keep in here? A gumdrop, a hit of ecstasy, a mini bag of cocaine, or
so you want me to go from her hair up here down to here?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I can do that.
what are those things called? Pocket rockets. Pocket rocket.
Pop rocks?
Pop rocks too.
Okay.
But no, I was thinking of something dirtier than pop rock.
There's high school around here.
Wait, what is the black love? What is that? Oh, they're incense. It looks like a humongous condom.
How does that look like a
Black
condom?
look. I didn't see. I just looked like a black wrapper.
Let's stretch it out for him.
I'm doing a POV shot. I'm looking this way. Seeing everything. Get back over there.
Looks airy and light and fluffy.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's like dehydrated. It's not even cotton anymore. It's like cotton jerky.
I'm telling you.
I don't think peanut
it
butter
gets
goes
like,
bad.
it settles. And peanut butter?
You know what definitely doesn't go bad ever?
What?
Deli meat.
Yeah, right. Spam.
Huh? Oh, I'm gonna buy a bunch of shit. I'm just gonna put it up there so I don't forget what it is.
Like candles.
Huh? $1 extra? Why? Because what? What did you say?
You are beautiful, that's why.
So I get charged $1 extra?
Here we are in the forest of doom. They're coming for you, Barbara. Look. Yes,